Okay, this is DFix and I'm here to fix your bricks. So in this scene here, we have two cubes and obviously we want a cube to look like this one to the left. So how do we do that? I'm just going to start off hiding both of these cubes. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to click on new. Then we're going to bring in a brick texture. Plug it straight in from the color into the base color. And when you do that, we're going to get something like this. We're going to have some bricks on the top, some lines here, and some empty space. So how do we get bricks on every side of this cube? The only thing we need is one simple node. So we're going to use a texture coordinate node. And we're going to use the UV, plug the UV into the vector. And there we go. So now we have bricks on every side. If you want a little bit better orientation of these bricks, we can go into edit mode, click on U, and click on cube projection. And yeah, now it starts to look like a cube full of bricks. So that is all. If you learned something, please subscribe. Have a great day and peace out.